Today we are riding the Slippery Elm Trail here in Bowling Green, Ohio. And it's about a 13-mile trail that runs north-south from Bowling Green to North Baltimore. And I've never actually fully rode the entire length of the trail, so we're gonna do the whole thing. And we're starting off right here. This trail was just also recently paved last month, so this is the perfect opportunity to check this one out. Probably best done with a helmet. Don't try this at home. See you next Monday. North Baltimore at this little rail fan foamer hangout. This is a railroad that is coming out of like Indiana, Chicago, and goes to Fostoria. So I made it here in North Baltimore. This is the end of the Slippery Elm Trail, which is just about 13 miles. It starts in the southern section of Bowling Green, Ohio. So the nice thing about this trail is that it is a north-south rail trail, which here in Northwest Ohio is not common, with Chicago being to the west and Cleveland being to the east. All of our railroads and rail trails are, you know, east-west direction. But it's really just Slippery Elm and the Chessie Circle, which are north-south, which is fantastic because it really helps connect to different areas and different neighborhoods. So that just wraps up the trip. If you're over here in Northwest Ohio in the Bowling Green or South Baltimore area, even cruise through Rudolph, Ohio. Jump on the pump track if you're brave like me without a helmet. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next ride.